Also, dudh lokloki and white pumpkin and cooked with the milk boiling. This is very favorite of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Sachi Mata, she cooked and offered her Thakurji, and she was sitting on outside. But she was thinking, if Nimai would stay with me, then Nimai maybe would ask, Mom, give me this mochaghanta, this dudh. But Nimai was not with me. Crying and crying and crying. Sachimata. And there may be one in this way, Sachimata. And 2 hours passed. And after 2 hours, she entered in a Thakurji room. That plate completely was empty. And no rice, no dal, no sabji, nothing. And plate completely was empty. Sachimata thinking, maybe today I did not cook anything. Understand? If I cook and if I offer to Thakurji, so where is the prasad? And this plate completely hot, neat and clean. Then again Sachimata, she entered in her kitchen room and cooked and offered Thakurji. Same Katha Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to, what is his name? What is his name? Gada? Jagadananda. Oh, you are going to Vrindavan, going to Navadvip Dham, you must give this information to my mother. Then my mother one day, she offered this sabji, I ate everything. But my mother thought I did not eat, I am not with her. In the same way, Krishna Lila, Krishna told to the gopis, Hey Srimati Radhike, I am always with you. And this is the true also. But you are thinking this is your dream. Gopi, they have no dream. They are direct meeting. Just joke mein arrange these things for their meeting and separation. And only these things. So now coming in this way, Krishna told this katha, that I am always with you. Why you are feeling separation? I am trying to explain Krishna, I am Bhagavan. And Krishna told many tattva siddhanta to the gopis. Then Srimati Radhika, she become very angry. Then you told you are Bhagavan. Are we have only one Bhagavan, that is called Narayan. How possible Bhagavan? We did not see any symptom of Bhagavan. How possible you are Bhagavan? Ahuchate nalinanabha padarvindam jageshwari devi chinta agadavadhi sangsara kupa paditottaranabalammanam gehang jusamapi manasudya sadano. Gopi, especially Srimati Radhika, she told, Auschate nalinanabha padarvindam jageshwari Hridi Vichinta Agadavadhi. Hey Krishna, you give these types of Tattva Siddhanta to Brahmaji, not to us. Those who want to deliver from this material world, they may meditate to Lord. Understand? Your mind depressions. Depression coming now sometimes. Depression, understand? Sometimes your mind, what happened?
Mente entra em depressão.
A
mente entra em depressão, Senhor.
Depression. Why depression coming?
O que vem?
Why is your mind disturbed? Try to understand. Why? Because you want stupid nonsense things. And when you not get, that time your depression comes. This is the main thing. You want your guy, boyfriend, girlfriend, by boyfriend, girlfriend left you. Your mind is very disturbed. What to do? What to do? Very difficult to sleep. Stupid nonsense. Hell! This is true. That time you cannot sleep, your mind will disturb. That time you are taking stupid nonsense things also. Taking ganja, bhang, marijuana, heroin, stupid nonsense. Ah? This is true or wrong? Huh? Mind very disturbed. You cannot sleep and thinking that things. Why? Why my girlfriend left me? Huh? Are stupid nonsense. Huh? Let him to go. Huh? But you will, no, she is very sweet. Are sweet not. She was very Corella. Bitter. Huh? But you are thinking sweet. Huh? She was the cause of your death. Huh? वो तुम्हारी मृत्यु के कारण था. भगवान कृपा करके भगा दी. हैं? Understand? No understand.
Lord give mercy and Sharon.
हैं?
Lord give mercy and pick up.
हाँ. But you don't know. Where is she? How do? This thing also explains Srimad Bhagavatam. The story of what is called and Urvashi and Purarava Katha. Srimad Bhagavatam, everything is there. And you see your own life history in Srimad Bhagavatam. If you read Srimad Bhagavatam, the story of Purarava and Urvashi, you think it's same my life also. Maybe you are Urvashi or Purarava, your husband. You read or not? Huh?
No.
You did not read what do you read? Nothing. Understand? And bewilderment. And these things. This is a dream. And this is not true. And who is your real friend? Who is your real friend?
Krishna.
Krishna, Guru and Krishna. सही से परम बंधु सही पिता माता श्री कृष्ण चरण जय प्रेम भक्ति. He is my real friend, he is my real mother, father, who gives me Krishna bhakti, Krishna seva. And all they are vision, not my friend. All they are my actual enemies, Satru. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. But you are thinking they are my friends. They are Pisachini. Srimad Bhagavatam, so many things are saying. I am not saying, you read Srimad Bhagavatam, so much anartha shakti will come. Automatically all your depression will go away. Huh? You want to embrace the Pisachini? Pisachini, understand? Which? Huh? And understand? Your girlfriend left you, this is good. But you are thinking, no, where is my girlfriend? Huh? Bewilderment coming. Understand? Depression coming. For this depression, your mind very disturbed. And if you lose your boyfriend, girlfriend, your mind very disturbed or not? Huh? Very difficult. Sometimes very difficult. And if you not get another girlfriend or boyfriend, your mind very difficult. Depression coming. Huh? Going to what is neurology? What is called? अरे नहीं astrology. What is called? Neurologist में क्या बोलते?
Psychologist. Psychiatrist.
हैं?
Psychologist.
Psychologist. हैं? Oh, my mind, you have to do it. Sometimes taking medicine, this medicine not working. Huh?
Psychiatric medicine.
Psychiatric medicine. Huh? But you are not looking. This is good also. Huh? Understand these things? Srimad Bhagavatam explains it. If you read this story of, I have no time, so I can tell you one day, the story of Purarava and Urvashi Katha. Understand? Very different. And you see that this is my own life history. Huh? Yes, understand this. Srimad Bhagavatam. You read Srimad Bhagavatam, this story. Then no need to go to the It is called
Psychiatrist.
no need to go.
Psychologist.
Psychologist, no need.
Psychologists get poor.
Huh?
Then psychologists get poor.
Get for.
He's a
Get.
Become
Read Srimad Bhagavatam. All your problem will solve. And all your problems solve. Read Srimad Bhagavatam. Listen Hari Katha. Eh? Why I am saying that here, Gopis they also told this Katha. Je ahuschate nalina nabha padar vindam jogeshwari hridi vichinta agadha vadi. Hey Krishna, you are giving instruction to us. We have to meditate. Eh? To think to you. Eh? If you meditate more and more, our depression will come. More and more separation mode, we will be feeling separation from you. We want to forget you. Eh? But very difficult. Forget you. Eh? Our Shastra explain how will free from Maya. And if your mind depression, now coming again back. And how will free from your depression? Meditate the lotus feet of Krishna. And Govinda Charan Kamal Smaran. And because there are 19 signs in the lotus feet of Krishna. One sign is very powerful. That is called, what is called? Chakra. And Sudarshan Chakra is there. If you meditate the Sudarshan Chakra in the lotus feet of Krishna, then all your problem will be solved. Depression automatically. No need to go psychiatrist. Just meditate. Jat pada pankaj palasa vilasa bhakta karavasam gaditam udgatanti santo tadvannarikta mato jato nuruddha sotaganastam aranam bhajavasudevam. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Just to meditate the lotus feet of Krishna and Krishna's lotus feet, what's this? Chakra. Then all your samsara chakra will be dismissed. This is simple. Srimad Bhagavatam gives simple evidence. Meditate. When you wake up early in the morning, what you do? Meditate Krishna's lotus feet. Just you wake up, when you first wake up, in the bed, just clean, and you keep, before sleeping, you can keep Krishna's lotus feet. And Sankara and Chakra is there. Open your eyes, you can. You meditate every day, practice, few days practice, then all your depression, everything will gone. Understand? Otherwise, if you take red cloth, sannyas, vanprasthi, brahmachari, you cannot free from the depressions. More depression will come also. Do you understand? If you take the red cloth, so I far from the ladies. I not meet with the others. Cannot control your mind. Just saying this. So how to free from all these things? Attachment. Taking red cloth, you will become attached from the ladies. If you take sannyas, vanprastha sannyas, you will be attached from the lady? No. How attached from the opposite sex? Chanting bhajan sadhan. Without bhajan sadhan, without chanting holy names, you cannot detach from the material things. Understand? This is also very. And so that means cloth, red cloth or white cloth, not, what is called? Protect to you, Maya. You understand? And cloth cannot protect from Maya. You are take red cloth or white cloth. If you are take sannyas or brahmachari, then you cannot protect from the Maya. How will protect from Maya? Follow? Guru Sususa Bhakta. If you want pointed with Gurudev, 100% guarantee Guru Sususa Bhakta, Sarva Lavina cha, Sangena Sadhuna, and Iswara Arahanena cha. One slok learn, then your life will be successful. If you are householder or you are renounced or brahmachari sannyasi, this is not our subject. Subject is what? How will we? One pointed with the Guru Padma. If you not one pointed with the Guru, you take sannyas, so what happens? Maya will more also what? Chasing behind you. Which thing is very far, that thing also attached to you more. You try to understand this also. If you detach from that thing also more and more attach your mind. You understand or not? So for this Srimad Bhagavatam is saying, no nindati, no prasangsati. You should not detach, we should not attach. So what do you do? What do you do? Krishna Seva, Govinda Seva. Without Krishna Seva, Govinda Seva, Guru Seva, you cannot detach from the material things. This is true. So maybe why you are taking the red cloth? Why you are taking sannyas? Why taking the banprasti? That is giving to you how to part from the material. You are not afraid. They will be afraid. Oh, he is sannyasi. I should not embrace. And sannyasi will say, no, I should not do this also. This is for this regard. Understand? And if you have no red cloth, then one lady will go, okay, Maharaj, you are very nice. Especially after giving, they say, Maharaj, can I embrace you? God. Or if I am not sannyasi, not red cloth, yes. Hari Bol. Embrace to fire, then fire burns you. So in this way, also a red cloth protect to us. Understand? Why are you keeping the red cloth? This is the reason also. Oh, no. I should not very close to them. You are automatically marjada. Marjada means status will come. Give love and affection. This is true. You should not to what is called grina. Grina means no hate to anyone. Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj explained, you also hate to others and to also accept, both are same. Hate.
Accept and hate.
What did he say?
Ser rude, assim, se você for rude.
You are thinking, no, you are ladies, I don't want to see the ladies. I am completely Vairagi. Then more and more attachment will come. Understand? That means is what? You are thinking this is bad, this is bad. And that impressions more coming. This is also another thing. Understand? Give love and affection, okay. But always keep your marjada. Marjada means? Etiquette. Okay. Fire is there, flame of fire. You are doing arati, put the either. Before putting your thing, where is the cloth? And otherwise, the fire, burn your cloth or not? You give the attention, the fire. Otherwise, if you not give attention, you do arati, then arati plate you put here, then you burn. Understand? Huh? So Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence this way. Huh? Ladies, they are as like fire. A gents is as like ghee. Huh? I am not saying Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence. Huh? So ghee and fire coming, ghee automatically melt. Huh? And attach together and burn everything. Vrindavan, Vihar, huh? This is true or not? Huh? But what will do? You very carefully do. Eh? Understand? Sabdhanata ghati, durghatana ghati. Hindi word saying sabdhanata ghati, durghatana ghati. If you not careful, then accident will come. Eh? You are driving car, or your swiftness coming. Eh? Understand? 1 second just. Then your steering going other way and boom. You understand or not? Fala Portuguese. Eh? So when you drive the car or bus, should be always attention. So our Hindi word is saying, what is saying? Sabdhanata ghati, durghatana ghati. If you're not careful. So that means these things. You give love and affection all the ladies. As like your elder sister or as like your mother. If you not give respect the ladies as like your mother, then big problem will come. Huh? Pardon?
What about the other? What about ladies?
Huh?
What about the ladies? How do you see them?
Ladies.
How to see them?
She is as like my father, as like my elder brother. So how possible sexual desire will come? This is the process. Parastri matri sama. Paradrabba lushtravat. Sanskrit word saying this. Others property as like what is it called? Piece of what is it called? Earth, mitti. And our others wife, ladies, they are as like my mother. You give respect, all the ladies, they are as like my mother. Give respect, do pranam to all the ladies as like my mother. For this Upanishad, many slokas are saying this way. When you wake up early in the morning and chant the 5 ladies' name and do pranam to them. First give the pranam to ladies. First to do pranam the Prithivi Devi. Many slokas, Upanishad saying this. When you wake up early in the morning, before and touch your feet on the earth, you do pranam to Prithivi Devi. Prithivi Devi is our mother. Matri pranam, not father pranam. Matri pranam. You have to pranam to Prithivi Devi Matri Devi. This is the process. Every day, when you wake up, chant how many ladies' name? 5. Why not gents' name? Why ladies' name? But yes, they are my mother. Panchakanna nittam smaret mayam jay. When early in the morning, wake up. Remember how many ladies' name?
5.
Maybe your name is not there. What are 5 ladies' name? Kunti, Draupadi, Tara, Ahilya and Mandodari. Look, Panchakanna nittam smaret. Our Shastra never criticize any ladies. Our Shastra always glorify the ladies. People are thinking, oh, the ladies. I don't. Because some Vairag also saying, Shankar, Mahamudgar, and Narad, what is called? I forget that. Very funny Grantha also there. What is his name? Narad, I forget his name. I read this book, very nice. Always is what? Criticize the ladies. Lady, like, yes, to be nonsense, rascal. Maybe 150 slokas there. Narad Paribrajak Upanishad. Narad Paribrajak Upanishad. You read the Narad Paribrajak Upanishad, if the ladies, they will read, they will burn. Only the criticize. That is a vairagya. Those who are too much vairagya, they means very soon they will be fall down. So for the Shastra saying, Jukta vairagya, Jukta ahar, Jukta vairagya. This is very important. Understand? Okay, just I have become my subject. Time is over. My Harikatha never 5 minutes. Avasthate nolenabha padadam. So Gopi, they told Krishna, hey Krishna, you give this type of instruction, Vairagya Katha, Dhyan Katha, to whom? Brahmaji. Brahmaji is drowning in the ocean of Maya. You give to the instruction. And he is also what? Less intelligent, stupid. Why? Because he manifested from your lotus navel. Your lotus navel touching where? Earth. And going this way. Gopi explain this way. So saying, Ahuchate nalinabha padaravindam Jagesri devi chanta agadavodi Sangsara kupa patito trana avalammanam Gehang jusamapi manasudya sadanam. We don't want to deliver from this samsara material world. Actually, Gopita is saying, we have no samsara. What is the meaning of samsara? Understand samsara? What is called samsara? Main or mera. This is yours, this is mine. My wife, my husband, my house. This is called samsara. My temple also samsara. No. This temple belongs to Krishna. Belongs to Guru. This is not Maya. Arvind, this is mine, then Maya comes. Everything belongs to Krishna. So Gopis are thinking, we have no samsara. Deha smriti nahi jar, samsar ko kaha tha. When Maya is coming, when our bodily conception, when we have bodily conception, Dhyatma Buddhi, then Maya is coming. You understand? What did he say? Bodily conception. This is the cause of entangled with Maya. Not other things. Or if you have not raised your hand, Hrivo! So Gopi is saying this. Dehas, we are saying this. Dehas mete nahi jar, sangsar ko kaha tar, tahoite na chahe uddhar, birha samudra jale, kam tiringile, Gopi gane nehotar par. Gopi is saying, we have no husband, no sons, no daughter, no house, anything. Actual Gopis, they did not marry also. If you married, then attachment coming. Bodily attachment. Husband will be say, this is my wife. Son will be say, this is my mother. Daughter will be say, all your words say, attachment with your body. And we also attachment with it. You understand? If you are no married, who will tell you, this is mine? Look this thing. Understand or not? So we are saying, Gopi are saying, actually Gopi they did not marry. So Gopi are saying, we have no samsara. Samsara means is what? My wife, my husband, my cows, my house, or your ma. Who is speaking ma? Bakri. Bakri means goat. Understand? in our Keshavji Gaudiya Math, one Bengali Babaji Maharaj was staying. He could not speak the Hindi. But he is staying in Vrindavan, Braj, Mathura. Mathura, they are not speaking in Bengali. You have to speak Hindi. Then they will. So, but every day, their Babaji Maharaj every day used to go to begging some alms from the Brajavasi's house. Understand? If you go Brajavasi, you have to speak is what? Their language, Hindi language. But he did not speak Hindi language. He spoke the Bengali. So Brajavasi, hey, what you are speaking, we can't understand. Then he very upset. Then he returned back to the temple, asked one brahmachari. I used to go begging the alms Brajavasi, but they are saying they cannot understand my language. They are saying you have to speak Hindi, then you can understand. Then one brahmachari told me, Hindi very simple. There are no difference between Hindi or Bengali. Same word, just to make that last word, what is called? Head. Head. You know, Hindi word, just to head, then people understand. Not man. Hey, man, but this is understand? Understand? कहाँ जा रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं, बंगाली खा और इसका है, खा रहे हैं, और मैं, but in pronunciation is Bengali, है मैं, the Brajavasi also all more confused. Hey, what are you speaking? अरे मैं जा रहा, मैं अस्ची जाची है और मैं what is speaking मैं what is speaking मैं that who is speaking the मैं the goat but you are actually goat samsar means is this मैं means goat goat means a stupid nonsense. Gopi, they are saying, we have no samsar. We have no husband. We have no son. So where is our attachment? Attachment coming this way. When your husband, when your wife, when your sons, daughter, attachment or not? Or if you have no sons, no daughters, no house, no car, nothing, you are free. You are free or not? Nothing. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna
Krishna. Hare Hare.
Hare
Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare.
So Gopis, they told to Krishna, actually we have no house. We have no husband, no sons and daughter, nothing. Even we are not attached with our body. So he is saying, देहा समझी नहीं यार, संसार को कहाँ तार? देहा समझी, there are bodily conception. So I explain here, he will explain. Bodily conception is the cause of our distress and unhappiness. Not other things. Bodily, this is mine, this is yours. Yeah, bodily conception. My wife, my sons, my husband, my house. Are you think everything belongs to Krishna? Then you free from Maya. Isavasya sarvamidam jatkinjan jagatam jagat tere tatta bhajita ma gita kasya siddhanam. Everything belongs to Krishna. Govinda desires. But this is my deal. Then you free from Maya. You are married or unmarried. You are brahmacharya, grihastha, banprastha. This is not our subject. Subject, how will we detach from the Maya? Another hand, Gopis, they also married. They have also house. They married. According to the Loka Shiksha, they married. Their wife of others go. But they never thinking. They never attach it. They are why? Because their mind always concentrated with Krishna, Govinda Seva. Huh? Not other things. They are always absorbed with Govinda, Krishna. Every second, every moment, their mind attached with Govinda. Even they are milking the cows. What is it? Govinda Damo Dharma Davedi. Govinda Damo Dharma Davedi. Whatever they are doing, their mind always spontaneous. I told Gopis, what is it called? Sahaj Samadhi. Don't you forget. Gopis Samadhi is called what Samadhi? Sahaj Samadhi. Spontaneous. Their mind attached with Govinda. So here Gopis also saying, Vyasmati Naijar Sansar Kupka. They have no samsara. They are only one samsara. What's it? Krishna samsara. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Krishna samsar karo chhari anachar jive daya Krishna nam sarva dharma sar. The essence of all dharma religion is what? Krishna samsara, Krishna seva. And only thing, everything belongs to Krishna. My wife also belongs to Krishna. My husband also belongs to Krishna. My sons, daughter, everything belongs to Krishna. I am not servicing my wife, I am not servicing my sons, daughter. I serve to Krishna. Why? They are belongs to Krishna. Understand? When you think these types of conception coming in your heart, then you free from Maya. Mayan Jayat. How you conquer the Maya? This way. And if you are staying in your house with your wife and husband, but you think this is not my wife, who is wife? Who is she? She belongs to Krishna. Then, even you stay in the house, you free from Maya. As like lotus, leaves of lotus staying in the water, but lotus leaves never touch the water. संसार में रहते हुए संसार माया से कुछ कर नहीं पाते. If you are staying in the Maya, Maya cannot disturb you. How? This is the process. How to absorb with Krishna. How to serve the Guru and Krishna. If you serve Guru and Krishna, the Maya cannot disturb you. So we are saying this, Gopis are saying. Deha smriti nahi jaar samsar ko kaanta. Next katha. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal. Now you will start when Ratha Yatra. What time you leave? You take prasad, then go to Ratha. Govinda Balo Hari Gopala Bolo. Govinda Balo Hari Gopala Bolo.